Okay, Pasi, what do you want to ask?
What do you have in
Jadi jangan dilihat, jangan ditunjukin gitu, biar kelihatan ke kamera ya. Oke. Yang itu, yang pede.
what do you have in the yard?
I have in the yard. I don't have something special. I just have plants, and then I just have a broomstick, sapu lidi. That's all I think.
Number 2. Where do you where do you watch movies?
Where do you watch?
Movie.
Dibuang?
Where do you watch movies?
Terus lagi. For serial drama, I only watch from my at home on my handphone. I watch Netflix, something like that. But if it is box office movies, I usually watch in the cinema.
When do you visit Yogyakarta?
I think when I was in junior high, and I have never been there again.
How many hours do you cook in the kitchen?
I usually cook for 3 hours in the kitchen every day.
Who clean this house every morning?
Okay, the Rebecca Sikit who cleans. Coba dia.
Who cleans this house every morning?
I clean this house every morning. Okay, now after you finish asking about your question on the book, you have to create more questions for me. You can take a look from the whiteboard. I have written there a lot of question words that you can use. You can use how many or how much, how often, what time, which. How.
What time do you?
What time?
What time do you eat a breakfast?
Every morning.
Yeah, every morning.
Okay. I usually eat my breakfast at 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Kalau mau pakai how many, whose, which itu diikuti benda.
Kalau why bisa?
Why bisa? Ya, meskipun belum tulis why, I'm sorry. Ya, why bisa?
Why do you like drama?
Because drama, yeah, we can take some learns from the drama, not only the the romantic scenes, not only like that, but the life problems, that how do they solve their problems like that. We can take some learns from it. For the drama, I like medical drama, So I will know about a lot of sickness, a lot of symptoms like that from the drama.
Do you like watching news in
Yes,
TV?
on TV.
On TV?
Uh, I rarely watch them on TV. I usually watch some news on my handphone again because I don't really like watching TV. Yeah, I usually watch news, but sometimes if I have time, I can watch. But if I don't have time, I just scroll from the social media what happens today like that.
Hmm.
What else?
How many itu bisa jadi
Nah, how many itu untuk nanyain benda yang bisa dihitung apa enggak?
enggak.
Bisa. Kalau how many yang much yang nanyain benda how much yang nggak bisa dihitung. Jadi berapa banyak, kalau how many berapa banyak, terus diikuti benda yang bisa dihitung, countable nouns. How much itu diikuti benda yang nggak bisa dihitung, uncountable nouns.
How many do you have?
How many, terus bendanya dulu.
How many
Apa?
doors
Doors,
in
imbuhannya.
in
Nggak apa-apa, santai aja. How many doors do you, gitu ya.
how many doors do you have in the house at home?
1, 2, I have 3 doors, and 2 doors for the bedrooms and 3 doors for go outside. Okay, what else? We still have time. How? Kamu belum nanya how. How itu nggak perlu benda. Jadi how itu bagaimana? Nggak apa-apa, nggak usah duduk, santai aja sama Miss Kiki. Nah, bagaimana kamu mengerjakan hal tersebut? Bagaimana kamu pergi ke sana? Gitu. Bisa pakai kata bagaimana?
How do you? How do you can?
Nggak usah pakai can, kita ganti langsung pakai kata kerjanya langsung. How do you
speak English?
Nah, gitu. Coba diulang sekali lagi.
How do you speak English?
I-nya kita buang. Jadi, how
do you speak English?
Okay. I speak English just like, yeah, we talk about anything. Like, if you want to be fluent in English, you can take a mirror every day. You talk to the mirror. You can see yourself on the mirror, right? And then you just talk like you have a partner. Yeah, pretend that you have a partner. Like, I have a problem today. My friend got mad at me. Like that. You can talk about everything. Yeah, that is like mirroring. So you can talk to yourself, but in front of the mirror. So you can pretend that, yeah, I have a partner like that. So you can be fluent in English. One more question.
One more.
Itu salah satu cara dari Miss Kiki tadi ya. Caranya yang tadi ngomong di kaca ya, di depan cermin. Jadi beranggapan kalau kamu nih ada partnernya nih gitu ya. Coba one more. Yang mana yang belum? Jadi how many udah ya?
How often itu maksudnya?
Seberapa sering?
Oh.
Often kan sering. Jadi How often seberapa sering, how long seberapa lama. Oke, how often belum ya? Oke. How often, terus nggak ada bendanya langsung ke imbuhan. Do you gitu.
Hmm, how often do you uh, writing a book?
Oke, ini kita buang lagi.
Write a book.
Write a book.
Write book.
Write book. Menulis di buku. I rarely write on the book because we have a laptop today, we have a handphone today, so I just write on the screen. And for laptop, I just write on the screen using a keyboard like that. Oke, ya. Kita mulai sering latihan kayak gini, nanti untuk besok ada tema lainnya lagi dan kamu jadi harus sering bertanya lagi ya. Temanya nanti Miss Kiki ganti. Oke?